scientists are still solving the many puzzling aspects of how the novel coronavirus attacks the lungs and other parts of the body. One of the biggest and most life-threatening mysteries is how the virus causes silent hypoxia, a condition when oxygen levels in the body are abnormally low, which can irreparably damage vital organs if gone undetected for too long. Now, thanks to computer models and comparisons with real patient data, Boston University biomedical engineers and collaborators from the University of Vermont have begun to crack the mystery. Despite experiencing dangerously low levels of oxygen, many people infected with severe cases of COVID-19 sometimes show no symptoms of shortness of breath or difficulty breathing. Hypoxia's ability to quietly inflict damage is why it's been coined silent. In coronavirus patients, it's thought that the infection first damages the lungs, rendering parts of them incapable of functioning properly. Those tissues lose oxygen and stop working, no longer infusing the bloodstream with oxygen, causing silent hypoxia. But exactly how that domino effect occurs has not been clear until now. We didn't know how this was physiologically possible, says Bella Suki, a BU College of Engineering professor of biomedical engineering and of materials science and engineering and one of the authors of the study. Some coronavirus patients have experienced what some experts have described as levels of blood oxygen that are incompatible with life. Disturbingly, Suki says, many of these patients showed little to no signs of abnormalities when they underwent lung scans. To help get to the bottom of what causes silent hypoxia, BU biomedical engineers used computer modeling to test out 3 different scenarios that help explain how and why the lungs stop providing oxygen to the bloodstream. Their research, which has been published in Nature Communications, reveals that silent hypoxia is likely caused by a combination of biological mechanisms that may occur simultaneously in the lungs of COVID-19 patients, according to biomedical engineer Jacob Herman, a research postdoctoral associate. Normally, the lungs perform the life-sustaining duty of gas exchange, providing oxygen to every cell in the body as we breathe in and ridding us of carbon dioxide each time we exhale. Healthy lungs keep the blood oxygenated at a level between 95 and 100%. If it dips below 92%, it's a cause for concern and a doctor might decide to intervene with supplemental oxygen. Early in the coronavirus pandemic, when clinicians first started sounding the alarm about silent hypoxia, oximeters flew off store shelves as many people, worried that they or their family members might have to recover from milder cases of coronavirus at home, wanted to be able to monitor their B. The researchers first looked at how COVID-19 impacts the lung's ability to regulate where blood is directed. Normally, if areas of the lung aren't gathering much oxygen due to damage from infection, the blood vessels will constrict in those areas. This is actually a good thing that our lungs have evolved to do, because it forces blood to instead flow through lung tissue replete with oxygen, which is then circulated throughout the rest of the body. Please support my channel to grow by pressing subscribe button and the bell icon. We will notify you technological news. Thank you.